In last video, we make a security alarm in which we were getting alert when a door gets open. While in today's video, we are doing the same, that we are getting the security alert but via message to our mobile. So for this, we are using the Bolt Wi-Fi module and the sensor which we use in the last project only. So first we will talk about the circuit connection and then we will talk about the programming part. So here is the block diagram of our project. Our sensor is attached to the locker's door and the door is closed. And the sensor is connected to the Bolt Wi-Fi module and our module is linked with our Ubuntu server. So the module gets the data from the sensor and the module send it to our server. Then our server processes on it and send back the instruction that the door is closed and the green LED has to be blown. Now when the door gets open, the sensor is going to send the data to the Wi-Fi module and the module is sending data to the server and the server processes over it and send back the instruction to the module that the door is open and the red LED has to be blown. Our server also send a request to the Twilio, which is a third party application which we are using to send a text message to our mobile phone. The Twilio accept it and send the alert message to the owner's mobile that the door of your locker is open. So in the further video, we will see how to make this system. In our last video, we discussed about the idea how the project is working. So we are using reed switch sensor, which senses according to the magnetic field that when the magnet of the door is near to the sensor, it senses out the high voltage, while when the door magnet is away from the sensor, it senses out the low voltage and giving alert to us that the door is open. That's the basic idea. So here you can see there are 4 pins in the reed switch sensor: analog, ground, VCC and digital. So connect this digital pin to the 0 pin number of the Bolt Wi-Fi module and VCC and ground to the breadboard respectively. Now take a green and red LED, connect red LED to the pin number 1 of the Wi-Fi module and green LED to the pin number 2 of Wi-Fi module. These LED we are using for our simplicity, that when the door is open, while when the magnet is away from the sensor, the red LED will glow and the message will be sent to our mobile. And when the door is closed, the magnet is near to the sensor, the green LED will glow. While in place of red LED, we can also use the LED bulb through 9 volt module, and we can also use the buzzer to make a sound when a door is open. I used this component in the last project of security alarm. You can check from there. The link is given in the description. You can check from there. On my blog, I explain about the code. You can check from there. All the details are given in very good pattern. Step by instruction are given. You just follow the steps. You will able to do code easily. If any query is there regarding code, you can ask me in the comment section below, as well as you can ask me on my blog. I will respond to you as soon as possible. Now let's look on the output of our project. First, I will switch on the Wi-Fi module. Here you can see that the green LED is start glowing. That means your door is closed. Here you can see the magnet is nearer to the sensor. Now when I move this magnet away from the sensor, the red LED will glow and a message will come on our mobile. Let's move the magnet away from the sensor. It will take some time. Here you can see that the red LED start glowing and the message is come on our mobile. Sent from your Twilio account alert. Your door is open. If you are the one, please check it immediately. It's come in very few seconds. Now when again I put this magnet near to the sensor, the red LED will stop glowing and the green LED will glow. It takes some few seconds. Here the green LED start glowing. So this is our project for a security. That's when the door is get open without your permission, the alert message is sent to your mobile and you will get to know that the door is open from any other unknown person.